Oh, no problem. Pwede yan. You can visit any grave you can visit, because when you visit to a grave, it is beneficial for us. Because we can remember our death. Because Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that always remember your death. That can make us very good human being. So visiting graves is what is the most important purpose to visiting the graves is to remember the death. So we will not forget the death. And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, Medina, Masjid al-Nabawi, the Baqi, the Qabristan is walking distance. And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, he go to the Baqi, the cemetery, every day. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, he go to the graveyard every day. And he could recommend us to go to the grave, not to forget our loved ones, and not to forget our death. So go into grave, to any grave, and to remember Allah and to pray for those who are died. It is sunnah, it is acceptable. But if you think that these people are listening to you, then that's not allowed. That's against the Quran, because Allah said in the Quran, وَمَا أَنْتَ بِمَسْمِي مَنْ فِي الْقُبُورِ. You cannot hear those who are in the qubur. You cannot hear them because there is a dead body. There is no soul here, because souls are already taken by Allah. Allah said in the Quran, Allahu yatawaffal anfusa hina mawtiha lam tamut fi manamiha wa yumsiku allati qada alayha al-maut wa yursilu al-ukhra ila ajalin musamma. Allah said, Allah take away the soul, those who die, and also for those who are in sleep. So our souls are taken when we die 100%. But when we sleep, 50%. Why 50%? Because Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "An-nawmu nisful maut." The sleeping is half of the death. So when you are sleeping, you are half dead. Your 50% connection of your soul is already disconnected. 50% is still inside. But 50% of the energy, the soul, the power, the force is out. That's why you are looking like a dead. And many of your senses are not working. You cannot see that time. You can hear only if somebody shout you, Abdullah, and then you can hear, because you will be awake. But as long as you are sleeping, you are like a dead person, because Prophet said half death. So Allah said, Allah take away the soul, those who die and those who die not in their sleeping. For yumsikul ladhi qada alayhi al-maut. And those who die, Allah hold their soul. He will not send back. وَيُرْسُلِ الْأُخْرَى إِلَىٰ أَجَلٍ مُسَمَّى. But those who are sleeping, their souls coming back. So you go to graves, and some people, they think that the people in the grave, they are alive and they have a soul. No, it's not right. Because we have a destination for our souls. The Quran mentioned the good souls, they go to Illiyun in Surah Al-Mutaffifin in Quran. And the bad souls, Quran mentioned, the bad souls, they go to Sijjin. The Sijjin is word similar to Sijan, which is jail. And there have a place for those souls. Like the kafan, when we have a clothing for the body, the angel bring the clothing for the soul also. The kafan for the soul. For the good soul, they bring the clean spiritual cloth. And for the bad soul, the dirty, smelly, ugly kafan they bring, and they wrapped it. And the bad souls, they cannot enter above the heaven, but the good soul, they enter above the heaven, and they are kept there until the day of judgment. Because Allah said, Barzakhun ila yawmi yubasun. There is a barrier between the body and soul until the day of resurrection. So the bad souls are punished, and the good souls are entertained until the day of judgment. So that's the explanation of the Azab-e-Qabr. The Azab-e-Qabr is to your soul and not to the body, because body is lifeless. So Azab-e-Qabr to the soul and not to the body. So when you go to the grave, don't think that these people are listening you. Some people, like especially the Christian, they go to the grave and they are talking with the relatives. So it's nonsense. How you talk to these people? Because they are dead, they are lifeless. Allah says, Innaka la tusmi'ul mauta. Surely you cannot hear those who are dead. And Allah can hear whoever He likes. So example, when you go to the grave and we have a sunnah, Assalamu alayka ya ahlal qabur. So it doesn't mean they hear you, but angel can bring your salam to your father, the soul of your father. That is the duty of the angels. When you go to the grave of your relative or your father, your grandfather, and you make a salam to the grave, angel will bring salam to the souls. But not the grave the people are, no. These people will not resurrect it until the day of judgment. The soul will only return when Allah will resurrect their bodies, and the souls will come and people will be resurrected. So nothing problem to go to the graves. Even if it is not a Muslim cemetery, but you know some Muslim buried there, go there and make dua for them. And Ustaz said if it's allowed to read Quran, no problem. You read Surah Fatiha, you make some supplication, make dua, and may Allah forgive them. And that will be blessing for us. When you go to visit a patient, or you go and visit a grave, or you go for the funeral, then Allah will bless you more. Then you pray for them. Okay.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment.